Arabic language, or the language in general, speaking a language, is to be able to convey what you intend to say. You convey what you intend to say. So this means that for somebody who's a perfectionist like me, for example, one problem that I had when I was learning the Arabic language is that in the beginning, you want to say everything correctly. So that makes you it inclines you towards wanting to know all grammar rules. And as well, you have izzah, you have honor, you don't want to be laughed at and so on. So you want to say everything correctly. So what happens is that for long months, sometimes even years, you are so stuck in the rules. But the purpose of the language is to convey a meaning. Whether it's correct or wrong, if the person understands what you're trying to say, even if you use sign language to support your speech and he understands it, you are speaking the language. You might not be 100% fluent, but you are speaking the language. And this is why Andalus Institute, I say that after 14 lessons, students are speaking the Arabic language because they are fully relying on Arabic.